Network. Firewall. Port forwards. Port forwarding on an OpenWRT router. First, identify the port and destination address. For example, I'm forwarding port 3389. Name. External port 3389. Internal IP address. Destination IP address. Internal port 3389. Save. The above is how to forward a port on an OpenWRT router. Thank you for watching. I recommend checking the results after completion. Port check. Port 3389. Go. Port forwarding successful. Good luck.